Hospitals across the country held a drill today to assess the preparedness to tackle any spike in the COVID cases. The exercise was held by health ministers of the states concerned. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia oversaw the drill at Delhi's Safdarjung Hospital. Such exercises would help our operational readiness, help in filling gaps if any, and will consequently strengthen our public health response, Mr. Mandavia had said at a meeting with Indian Medical Association yesterday. Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan had written to all the states and the union territories last week, asking them to hold the drill today. The Delhi government has approved a budget of Rs 104 crore for hospitals to buy general medicines as part of preparations to deal with any COVID emergency. With foreign returnees among fresh COVID cases amid spreading infections in several countries, especially China, India has drastically stepped up coronavirus monitoring measures, as part of which mock drills are being held today across a number of health facilities in several states and union territories to ensure their readiness to deal with any eventuality related to the novel virus, following an advisory by the centre. Bharat Biotech on Tuesday announced the price of its intranasal vaccine Incovac. The vaccine will cost Rs 800 with the addition of 5% GST. The vaccine Incovac is available on CoWIN and priced at Rs 800 for private markets and 325 for supplies to the centre and state governments, the company said. With aim to further strengthen the positive military relations between India and Kazakhstan, the nations conducted their 6th edition of Army Joint Exercise Kaz-Ind 2022 in Meghalaya's Umroi. Troops from regional commands south of the Kazakhstan army have participated in the exercise that started from December 15th. Meanwhile, Indian Army's soldiers from the 11 Gorkha Rifles have participated in the joint exercise. The exercise, which was later upgraded to a company-level exercise and renamed as X-Kaz-Ind in 2018, was instituted in 2016. A variety of missions ranging from joint planning, joint tactical drills, basics of special arms skills, HADR to raiding a hostile target were conducted during the drill. The 14-day-long exercise also aims at building trust and understanding of each other in the field of national security. The Indian Coast Guard released a statement which revealed that a Pakistani boat was seized off the coast of Gujarat in the early hours of Monday. The boat with 10 crew members was carrying arms, ammunition and 40 kgs of narcotics worth Rs 300 crore. Based on specific inputs shared by the Gujarat Anti-Terrorist Squad, the Indian Coast Guard deployed its fast patrol ship ICGS Arinjai for patrolling in the area close to the international maritime borderline on the intervening night of December 25th and 26th. During the early hours of Monday, the ICG observed a Pakistani fishing boat, Al Soheli, moving suspiciously in the Indian waters. When the Indian Coast Guard started questioning those aboard the Pakistani boat, the boat started evasive maneuvering and did not stop even when the Indian Coast Guard fired warning shots. ICGS Arinjai, the ship of the Indian Coast Guard, intercepted the Pakistani boat. The ICGS then boarded the Pakistani boat and found the crew behaving suspiciously. The ICG searched the boat and found arms, ammunition and approximately 40 kilograms of narcotics worth Rs 300 crore.